Dear students, today we will discuss the third theory behind the structure of benzene, orbital overlap model of benzene. According to this concept, orbital overlap model of benzene, it includes hybridization of atomic orbitals. Atomic orbitals like carbon, hydrogen, all the things, and the theory of resonance. So it includes two concepts, hybridization of atomic orbitals and theory of resonance, and it is developed by Linus Pauling in 1930s, provided the first adequate description of structure of benzene. The carbon skeleton of benzene forms a regular hexagon with carbon-carbon and hydrogen-carbon bond, angle of 120 degree. This 120 degree angle always is found in tetrahedral compounds. And I want to tell you one thing, this 120 degree angle possible when carbon is sp2 hybridized. For this type of bonding, carbon uses sp2 hybrid orbitals. sp2, it is a hybridization of atomic orbitals. In the structure of benzene, each carbon forms sigma bond to two adjacent carbons by the overlap of sp2 hybrid orbitals and one sigma bond to the hydrogen by the overlap of sp2 1s orbital. इसमें दो तरीके के बॉन्ड्स बनते हैं, एक होता है जिसमें sp2 हाइब्रिड ऑर्बिटल्स आपस में ओवरलैप करते हैं, ये कार्बन कार्बन के होते हैं, और एक होता है sp2 1s ऑर्बिटल, इसके अंदर sp2 जो ऑर्बिटल है वो कार्बन का होता है और 1s ऑर्बिटल हाइड्रोजन का होता है. मैं आपको बता चुका, जितने भी आपके कार्बन हैं उनके ऊपर एक हाइड्रोजन होती है और उनके साथ जो बॉन्डिंग होती है वो sp2 1s होती है, और कार्बन जो आपस में दूसरे कार्बन से अटैच रहता है उसके अंदर जो बॉन्डिंग होती है वो sp2 हाइब्रिड ऑर्बिटल की ओवरलैपिंग की वजह से होती है. You can see in this hybridization, as you know, hybridization is of three types, sp3, sp2 and sp. As you know, carbons have the atomic number 6, means it has the 6 carbons which are distributed in the atomic orbitals. First 2 electrons in 1s, then 2 electrons in 2s, and another 2 in p orbitals. One in 2px and one in 2py. 2pz is empty. It is all are in ground state. In excited state, the electron from the 2s orbital goes to the 2pz orbital. So this in excited state it will goes to the 2pz orbital. So if we discuss sp3 hybridization, in sp3 s orbital of 2s orbital and 3 atomic orbital of 2p, 2px, 2py and 2pz all are mixed to each other and to form a sp3 hybridized orbital. Means all have 1 electrons, one in s orbital and 1 in p orbitals. So the sp3 hybridization found in alkanes. The carbons of alkanes have the sp3 hybridization. You can see where the all 4 atomic orbitals form the sigma bond with 4 hydrogens. You can see there. Means all are horizontal. They form the sigma bonds. No any perpendicular p orbital. Only horizontal p orbitals and s orbital. They form the sigma bonds due to horizontal nature. Now come to the sp2. In sp2 you can see 3 orbitals hybridized. in which one is from s orbital and two from p orbital, px and py. All three have the single bonds. So you can see in benzene carbon make the 3 sigma bond, because these hybridized orbital are horizontal and overlap to each other and to form 3 sigma bond. But it have one 2pz orbital or 2p orbital which is unhybridized and which is always perpendicular to the structure. Means benzene structure is horizontal planar, but it have the unhybridized p orbital perpendicular, which make the pi bond with another p orbital, perpendicular p orbital of another carbon, which overlap sideways. Now come to the sp. In sp hybridization only one s and one p orbital is hybridized. Means two p orbitals are remain without hybridization. So in sp only two sigma bonds are formed due to horizontal p orbital and s orbital, and the remaining two p orbitals always perpendicular to each other. Means this type of sp hybridization you can see in alkenes. In alkenes you can see there in alkenes two pi bonds and one is sigma bond. One sigma bond is formed due to the s hybridized orbitals, and two pi bond forms due to perpendicular p orbitals which make the sideways overlapping. So in benzene sp2 hybridized orbitals are found. Means it have the 1s and 2p hybridized, which make the sigma bond, 3 sigma bond, one with two with carbon and one with hydrogen. But a remaining unhybridized p orbital have the perpendicular structure, and it make the sideways overlapping and to form the pi bond, and it contain the pi electrons. You can see the structure of benzene. You can see the three hybridized orbitals or sp2 hybridized orbitals make the sigma bond, two with carbon and one with hydrogen. Then where is the unhybridized p orbital? It is perpendicular, this one, perpendicular to the ring. It make the pi bonds, and they perpendicularly or sideways overlapping with another p orbital of other carbon. So the bond angle between these is 120 degree, and you can see these bonding, which type of bonding is present in the benzene. sp2 means when carbon bond each other, and when carbon and hydrogen bond each other, hydrogen have only one electron, and in which atomic orbital 1s1, this is the hydrogen, and carbon is sp2 hybridized. So it make the bond with this carbon hydrogen bond, sp2 carbon bond, because both are sp2 hybridized. As determined experimentally, all carbon bonds in the benzene are the same length, 1.39 angstrom, a value almost midway between the length of a single bond between sp3 hybridized carbon 1.54 angstrom and that of a double bond between sp2 hybridized carbon 1.33 angstrom. ये रीज़न है कि ये किसके बीच की बॉन्ड लेंथ होती है, sp3 और sp बॉन्ड के इन बिटवीन की बॉन्ड रहती है, बॉन्ड लेंथ के बीच में रहता है. Each carbon also has a single unhybridized 2p orbital. I already told you each carbon has a 2p orbital that contain 1 electron. So it has a total 6 carbon in the benzene. So it has the 6 2p orbital lie perpendicular to the plane of the ring and overlap to form a continuous pi cloud on the benzene above or below the frame of benzene. So you can see this is the cloud of benzene above or below the plane, and these are the pi bonds which have a single electrons. These are called as pi electrons, and total these are in number 6. So in next class we will discuss aromatic character or Huckel rule. So please remember all the things related to the orbital picture of benzene. Thank you.